National property.
You go to Vermont. So go to Vermont. Alright, go again.
I don't
You want it? No? Okay, here's a gift company for you.
You're funny. You cheated just now.
No, he's fine.
I think this is.
No, he's okay.
I don't think that's his money.
Where are my fives and all that stuff, idiot? They're right there.
I don't think that's it. I think that's from the other game.
No, what other game, idiot?
Alright, just go. Come on, 7. You want it?
I'll take that.
140.
That's a waste of money.
What?
That was a waste of money.
You're a waste of money.
What is that white stuff on your fucking thing?
It's cheese, you fucking idiot. Leave me alone.
I'll take that one.
Which one? Which one?
That was disgusting.
That was really
Which one?
disgusting.
I'm taking both of them.
Why'd you do that?